Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 9 of chapter 2, whole numbers. In part 8, I have done question number 1 and you are given homework to do 3 problems in my last class. Today we shall begin with question number 2. Question number 2 is given as find the greatest 7-digit number which is exactly divisible by greatest 3-digit number. Exactly divisible means there is no remainder, there should not be any remainder. So this type of question, how to solve it, I will show you. First you write the greatest 7-digit number. What will be this? It will be 999. The greatest 3-digit number will be 999. Now divide greatest 7-digit number by greatest 3-digit number. I shall get 10010 and remainder 9. If I subtract the remainder from the dividend, I shall get the answer, which is equal to 999 minus 9. It will give us 999990. Therefore, 999990 is the greatest 8-digit number which is exactly divisible by 999. Now I have given you a homework. Question number 3. Write the greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 42. You have to do this sum as I have done question number 2. Same way. But you have to divide the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999 by 42 and solve the problem. Now question number 4. 246 apples can be packed in a carton. How many cartons are required to pack 2755200 apples? So how to solve it? I have to write the statements like, to pack 246 apples we need 1 carton. Therefore, to pack 2755200 apples we need 2755200 divided by 246 cartons. When we divide 2755200 by 246, we get the answer 11200. Therefore, we need 11200 cartons to pack 2755200 apples. Now question number 6. Find the number which when divided by 32 gives 26 as quotient and 4 as remainder. So solution is like, according to question, we have to find the number when it is divided by 32 we get quotient 26 and remainder 4. So we have to find the number. Now we have to find the dividend actually. We know that dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here we have divisor 32, quotient 26 and remainder 4. So you multiply 32 and 26, then add the remainder. I have done some rough work. 32 into 26 I have done, I got 832, and then add the remainder I got 836. So the number is, the dividend is 836. Now you have to do homework question number 7. The same way I have done question number 6. Find the number which when divided by 57 gives 39 as quotient and 7 as remainder. Question number 8. The product of two numbers is 56088. If one number is 1, 2, 3, which is the other number? Solution is like, the product of two numbers is 56088. One number is 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the other number will be 56088 divided by 123. If we divide 56088 by 123, we get 456 as quotient, and therefore the number which we have to find out is 456. Now question number 9. On dividing 62345 by 199, the remainder is 58. Find the quotient. Here 62345 is dividend. Divisor is 199 and remainder is 58. So we know that from the algorithm, dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend we have got 62345. Divisor is 199. Quotient is not given, we have to find it out. Remainder is 58. Therefore 62345 is equal to 199 into quotient plus 58. Step 1, what we have to do? We have to subtract remainder from dividend. From the dividend you have to subtract remainder. So if I subtract 58 from 62345, we get 62287. Step number 2, the result 62287, we have to divide it by the divisor. So 62287 should be divided by 199. When we divide 62287 by 199, we get 313. Therefore, the quotient is 313. Now, question number 10, you have to do it as homework. On dividing 34567 by 92, the remainder is 67. Find the quotient. You have to do the sum exactly as question number 9. So by checking the answers what I have explained, you can complete your homework and you have to submit it by evening. This is all for today. Have a good day.